Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new in this channel, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would heal or that will stop impotency and erectile dysfunction. Okay, so this is going to help you. It's actually very natural, it is way effective, although this is one of the ones that I have to share with you right now, but I have some other natural home remedies which I'm going to be uploading soon. Okay, so if you want to know what it does comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. I'm actually rapping. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. To cure impotency and erect dysfunction, you're gonna be needing garlic. Okay, so this that I'm gonna be showing you would help you so much. All right, what you need is just these three ingredients that I'm going to be showing you. One of them is garlic, which is very functional for the body, and it will help you to cure impotency and erectile dysfunction. You're also going to be needing ginger. Okay, now this is one natural home remedy that helps for the stomach. It flushes out toxins and it kills unwanted bacterial and worms in the body. And we're going to be putting in onion. Okay, now for this, three remedy, if you have to skip anyone, you have to only skip ginger. Now you must not skip this and this. Okay, you have to take garlic and onion with honey. So these are the four ingredients in which you want, but you can skip one out of this four, which is going to be the ginger. Okay, you can skip the ginger, but for this video I'm going to be preparing all of this for you to just see. All right, so let's first of all prepare this garlic. Is the main ingredients for this erect dysfunction. Ready? We are going to be blending it. Okay, you can as well just grate it, but since I have a small blender right now, I'm going to be blending it. Blended, and since it wasn't really much, so it didn't blend very well, so this is it. And now we're going to be putting that into the bowl. We're also going to be blending the onion So these two remedy is very important, the garlic and the onion. Very important. You must not skip it if you're having that, okay? Alright, so the onion is set, blended, and is set, and this is how it looks like. Transferring that into the bowl too. Also, the ginger, I'm going to be cutting that. And we're also going to be blending it, okay? Going to be taking that into the bowl, and this is it. So this is the garlic, onion, and ginger. Now you're going to be putting in the honey, okay? Now, if you are having erectile dysfunction, guys, don't underestimate this. Don't underrate it. Don't be like, oh, it's just this. This is what I need you to take. I'm sure you're not even paying me to show you this, but it's worked like wonders, okay? So what you do is that you make it this way, and then every morning you take 1 spoon of this, just like this, 1 full spoon of it. Alright guys, now the honey complements the taste, but it is actually very hot, okay? When you take it and swallow it, it's going to hot you down from your throat down to your stomach, and you're going to feel the heat, okay? And you're just going to be feeling the effect of this around the lower part of your body, you know what I mean, around your P-man, and it's just going to help you. Take this every day for 1 week. Come back to the comment section and testify, and also share this video, okay? Because I know this is just going to be what you need. It's going to work really fine for you. If you take this, I mean, you are going to be thanking me later. Like, continue taking it, be consistent in it, okay? There is no side effects. It does not harm your body. Instead, it helps you for cold, for sore throat. It helps for the heart. It dissolves kidney stone and many more things that it does. Above all, it cures impotency, okay? So that's it. If you do love the video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video, and bye guys. Mwah.